What we have here is a ham and cheddar croissant made fresh this morning. And this here is some freshly squeezed, right in front of our eyes, orange juice. Hopefully I can open it and show you without spilling. And yes, it is very tasty. It was $8, but it's very tasty. It's the freshest orange juice you'll ever have. And if you don't like birds, don't come and sit outside. And what kind of croissant do we have here?
Well, I got chocolate, of course. And they were all made this morning. So nice and free. Everybody's doing a break party. Listen to it. Oh, yeah. Oh, that flaky goodness. With chocolate.
Alright, I really appreciate all these little layers in this croissant. This is made by French masters. French pastry masters right here. Hey.
Where's the other?
What are your first few thoughts?
Good.
While I guard my food.
Mm-hmm. It's good.
My first few thoughts are it's very good. The birds also thought it was good, that they thought they'd try and take a bite of it. Bad birds. And they're everywhere.